All right, we have here a gorgeous power chair. This is a Permobil F3. F stands for front wheel drive, so the drive wheels are towards the front. F3 power chair. This power chair has 5 electrical functions. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet, and it also has what's called the interior tilt. This chair has 17 miles. It was used for less than a month. It's practically brand new. It has all kinds of goodies on it, even the lighting package. The color is stealth black, just a gorgeous power chair. So all the functions on this chair can be worked through the joystick or through the switch box. I'm going to do the switch box. The first button on the switch box is the seat lift. So you can see the seat going from 22 inches up 12 inches. It'll go up to 34 inches. All right, so you can see the seat going up right now all the way up to 34 inches. The nice thing about these chairs, once the seat is elevated, which is almost there we go, you can still drive the chair at a reduced speed, but it still drives pretty fast. If you look at it, I can't show you how fast it drives, but it'll drive 3 miles an hour for sure. So you can see the chair drives with the seat elevated. Let's look at the beautiful base on this chair, okay? You have 14-inch non-marking wheels, solid tires, 8-inch caster wheels in the back. You have the suspension for the rear here and the suspension for the front. You have 2 independent shocks. So you can see the shock moving right here just when I move the weight of the chair. This chair weighs about 425 pounds. So remember, 425 pounds this chair weighs somewhere around there. So you have 2 suspension on this side, you have 2 more on the other side. You have 4 suspension. You have an anchor point inside of here, and you have another anchor point inside under the fork right here on the inside. This is where you would secure your chair to your van or to your lift for transportation. So you have 4 anchor points, okay? You also have a motor right here. For each wheel has an independent motor. Right now, if I wanted to push this chair, I can't go anywhere because it's in gear. But if I turn the power off, okay, and push that lever right here, push it down, what it does, it unlocks the wheel. You can see the wheels unlock, okay? So you have to do both sides, then you can roll the chair around, but when you're done, make sure you put it back in gear, okay? You can see the armature for the seat lift right here. You can see the actuator going up and down over here. Just a beautiful, beautiful power chair. Again, it's the F3 power chair. These are good because they're really good outside also, because if you're going to go in the grass, if you have a chair that weighs 400 pounds and you have a person that weighs 200 pounds, that's 600 pounds of transferred weight to your wheel, so it gives you better traction outside, okay? So I'm going to turn the power back on. And the reason you want the power off when you put the chair in neutral, you want no resistance in the motor. So when the seat's going down, I'm going to talk about the swing away. This is called a swing away joystick. So if you're left-handed, we can put that swing away to the left side. This helps you get closer to a dining table without having to raise the arm, okay? So it's a real nice thing to have on a power chair. So you're all the way down now. Now I'm going to bring the swing away back to the front. And the next feature we're going to do is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt, whoop, that's not the electric tilt. The electric tilt is when the base right here goes back. So let me show you. That's called the electric tilt. When the base goes back, it's going to take the leg and it's going to take the back as they're all connected together. So this is called your electric tilt. And this is as far as it'll go. The next feature I'm going to show is called the electric legs. And these feet are adjustable. We can adjust the length of these foot plates in and out depending how tall you are. Okay? So if you needed good circulation, you could raise the feet up like this, all the way up. Now, that's a little extreme, but if you're halfway tilted, I'm going to bring the seat halfway down just to show you. Even if you were here, you can see your feet are still higher than your body. So we've covered 3 functions. Another function you have with this chair is called the electric recline. The electric recline is when the back by itself goes back. No tilting, just the back. That's called the electric recline. And we'll see how far back that goes. So it's pretty much flat. Okay, so this is how far back it would go. So I'm going to bring the back up again. Now I'm going to bring the feet down. I'm doing 2 buttons at once here, save some time. And then we'll cover all the other goodies on this chair that's available with this chair. Plus we need to cover also what's called the interior tilt. So when you're outside, make sure your feet are always out about that far, just to give you more clearance. There we go. The next feature we're going to show you is called the interior tilt. That's when the seat is flat but it leans forward. So usually I like to raise the seat up a couple inches. So raise the seat up a couple inches. And then you use the tilt button, but you hit it on the front part of the tilt button. So if you hit it here, and sometimes you have to hit it twice. There we go. You can see it tilting down. All right. This is called your interior tilt. So you can see we started here and we're up about, matter of fact, you can see when it comes back down. So this is called the interior tilt. Okay, so that's your 5th electrical function on this chair. So as I said, this chair is loaded. Another thing this chair has that's really nice, it has the factory lights. So if I turn the lights on, you can see these are real. They're on the fender, they're on the frame, they're tied to the frame. They're real lights. You can see in the back. And you also have what's called flashers for both sides. And you also have hazards. And the same thing in front. And we're going to turn the lights off. So it's got the full lighting package. The seat on this chair is 16 inches wide by 18 deep. This is a rowboat cushion. So you can adjust the pressure on this cushion just by putting air. There's a little valve right here. You bring it out. You can see it right there. Unscrew it, put your little plastic pump on here. You can adjust the pressure. You also have a safety belt. You have lateral guards. Let me move the arm out. These guards are really nice. What they do is they keep your knees from buckling out and it keeps your feet on the foot plate. And these guards can be moved up and down, in and out. They're fully adjustable and you can remove them if you don't need them. You have a fully adjustable headrest right here. Okay. You also have behind the chair right over here, there's a power button. I'm going to hit it right now. That turns the whole power off the chair. So when you get this chair, go back in here, back towards the back of the chair, put your fingers over here, turn the power back on. And then you have to turn the power back on over here once you do that. So let's put the chair back over here. When you charge this chair, you will take your Permobil charger and you'll plug it right below the joystick. And as soon as the light goes to 100%, you're fully charged. This chair has 2 batteries and you'll get about 10 to 15 miles on a battery charge. That all depends how you drive your chair, how many of the functions you use, what kind of condition you're in, okay? The weight of the user also. Another thing about this chair that I forgot to mention, it has a USB port right here. You can charge your phone right here. There's a USB port right there on this chair. So let's recap. This is the Permobil F3, the newest design from Permobil. This chair is the latest in technology. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet, the interior tilt. It has the swing away joystick. It has the flip up arms, the safety belt, the lateral knee guards, the Roho air cushion, the full lighting kit for the lights. It has the adjustable headrests. And it has the Permobil suspension. This is a great power chair, practically brand new with 8 miles. Probably won't be here very long. This is the Permobil F3. This is 6 miles an hour. It feels like it's going faster, but it says 6 miles an hour, but it is so smooth. And when you let go of the joystick, it brakes automatically. It's got built-in brake. Just a smooth riding power chair. Quiet too. It goes exactly where you want to go. So this is the F3 with about 17 miles on it, practically brand new. I'm going to raise the seat right here and show you how it drives with the seat elevated. As I said, this chair has 5 functions. 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet, and it has the interior tilt. It has the light on the frame. This is the Permobil suspension. This is top-notch quality right here. So now the chair is elevated all the way to the top, and it still drives with the seat elevated. Let's go this way. So 3 miles an hour with the seat elevated. Now if you're going to drive with the seat elevated, do yourself a favor. Only do it on flat surface. Do not do it with cracked sidewalk, uneven. These are nice, expensive chairs, but you do have to take care of them. So malls, you know, where it's flat, restaurant where it's flat, outside side where it's completely flat, then your chair will last forever and ever. So if you're looking for a nice power chair with all the features you'd ever want, this is one of them. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.